Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to allow or not allow SMS or text permissions on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to change the settings for any particular app on your phone, and then I'll show you on how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile phone and then tap this settings. And then here now at your mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this security and privacy, and then click again. So here now at security and privacy, and then you need to scroll down again and all the way to the bottom where it says more privacy settings, and then click. So here now at more privacy settings, and then you need to scroll down again, find and locate this permissions manager, and then click. So here now at permissions manager, and then you need to scroll down again, find and locate this SMS. So if you find already this SMS, and then click. And then here now at SMS, so apps with these permissions can send and view SMS messages. So all you can see now those apps on my mobile settings, and then select those apps if you want to allow or don't allow. So for example, we need to choose this Android Auto app and then tap. And then we have two options of these settings, SMS access. If you want to allow, then select if you want to don't allow, and then click this don't allow. And on the bottom on your mobile screen, then pop up this notifications. If you deny these permissions and some features of your device managed by this app may no longer functions as intended. And then you need to click this don't allow anyway if you don't allow these settings. Alright, so if you want to allow, then select allow. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve mobile phone settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Android phone. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.